Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here with the final walkthrough of my completed December daily. So I created a tutorial for this book. This is a Midori style album. I like to call this a journal slash mini album. And I do have a tutorial for this. If you want to create one similar to this, I'm gonna have the link below. And so I just finished adding all of the pictures. I still need to add the journaling, but I will do that after I record the video. And yeah, just wanted to give you a look in case you haven't worked on your December daily. Here's your motivation video to get it done. I actually did all of these in one day. I mean, the pictures and the stickers and things like that. I had the base ready, but it's one of those things that I want to do, but I always put behind, and it is finally done, and I'm just so happy. So over here we have a tassel. I created these using some lace, some trims, some eyelash yarn here, and then I tied some jingle bells in here, and then I'm using this fabric with the Frosty the Snowman, and then I have this pom-pom trim here on the side. I'm really liking the blue color. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'll just do a quick walkthrough. I won't make this video too long, hopefully. So when I create my December journals, sometimes I do a daily. In this case, I didn't do a daily. It's just way too many things happening in December, and every day we don't do something Christmas related. So I just wanted these to have Christmas memories. Sometimes we have volleyball tournaments, those go on a different book. So I just wanted to document the things that are more celebrating of Christmas or spending time together. I added over here a Christmas card. This is one card that my daughter got, and I just went ahead and glued that over here because I think it was just so pretty, and I love how the colors go with the colors of the journal. I added December 2025, some of these sequins over here on the side, so I thought it looked really cute. So my daughter or my daughters decorated the Christmas tree with a llama theme. So there's llamas, there's little souvenirs that we got from Peru. So I wanted my December daily to have all of these little llamas. And so I have some cards that I got, so I just put some llamas everywhere. I had these little llama stickers that are so cute, so dimensional, and so really soft. So I just added a lot of that here. I'm using some Stamperia chipboard pieces from, I don't remember the name of this collection, but I only had the chipboard pieces, so I just added that here. And then the paper that I'm using, I don't remember the name of the paper, but if you watch the tutorial, I'll probably share which papers I'm using. I think it's a combination of mint tie and just other papers I had on my stash. I added some bling, and so yeah, so just a little bit of everything. Picture of my girls here on the opening, and again, I didn't do any numbering. They're all just all in December, and so my daughters love, of course, to do ice skating. We went a couple times, so I just put all of those pictures in here. I have this really cute Snoopy sticker, so you'll see some Snoopy sprinkled throughout as well. A lot of pictures of the cats because they're just so cute and cuddly, so I just put some of those everywhere. And I also wanted to leave some of the pages with the design paper, just gonna to have something to look at. I didn't want to cover that up. I still need to add my journaling, so I'll probably be adding some stickers here, and then I added some little envelopes or glassine bags to put my little journaling notes. I really got into baking bread this past December, so I'm adding some of those pictures here. I don't know, I went for it, follow a recipe, and I was obsessed with baking bread. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you might have seen a lot of those pictures. Some, holiday pictures here. We went to the mall to celebrate my friend's birthday, took some pretty pictures by the tree, and then I added these little envelopes. This is where I'm gonna be adding my journaling, so that is what I'm gonna do after. And so I added a lot of little places to add the memories. On one of the weekends we went to LA. You can see how summery this looks. I had an appointment for her quinceañera dress that she were planning, and so we took that excuse to go to the pier, and it was so sunny, so pretty. It wasn't this sunny back here at home. Then some cute little pictures again with the little kitties. I made this little crochet fish for my daughter, and the cat really loved the crochet fish. He got obsessed with it, so we took some cute pictures of that. Here's my little llamas. So again, nothing really chronologically. I didn't want to stress going back to my camera roll, remembering when we did what on what day. So I just said, you know what, these are all December memories, and I'm just gonna document the time, because for me it's more important to remember in a couple years how the girls look like this year, because it's funny, you don't think about it in the present moment, but when I go back to my December dailies from like 2015 or 2020, then you can see how the girls are changing, and that's mainly what I like to document, my girls growing up and what do we do around Christmas. I took some pictures of the kitty because she was over here on my craft room and I was crafting and she decided to take a nap on it, and I just didn't have the heart to wake her up, so I waited for a long time, and I used a template to create these, but I realized that when I printed this out, it cut some of the image. I think it was too long, but anyway, we went to visit mom and decorated her little place here with all this Christmas cuteness. And then over here, I can't take this out, but this is a little envelope, and here's my little journaling. I think what I'm gonna do is add some twine to the little journaling places, so it's easier to take that out. More of these Stamperia dimensional stickers. I just love adding texture to my pages. And then I had these cute little llamas. More ice skating memories here. Again, the beautiful paper. These cute little stickers I got from Hobby Lobby. I just love how soft they are. I love stickers that are very dimensional and kind of like, you can touch them and play with that. We did go to Disney again for a couple days, and so we have some cute pictures here of the girls, and then a little envelope with no journaling space yet, but I will be adding my journaling, and then some cute stickers. Here I'll be adding some journaling as well. And we really got into baking, so I got into baking bread, my daughter got into baking banana bread. Then we got a new waffle machine, so we were eating waffles a lot on December, so wanted to take some of those pictures. And even though there were different days, I just wanted to put them all together as one theme. Over here, my daughter had a sleepover with her volleyball friends, so I just had a picture that she texted me with all the girls. So I'll be adding the little journaling here. I might need a bigger place to journal, but we're just gonna keep that there for now. And then I had this chipboard like sleigh, and I just had the llamas in there. Some pom-pom trim, and some silly pictures of me in the craft room, the little llama. I made some pictures of the girls, which I'm going to put here since I'm in the craft room, and I made their pictures into like cartoony images, so I want to put all of those in this page. I made a pocket here, and I have some Christmas cards from family that was sent to me. more pictures of the little kitties. I backed some of the pictures on gold to make them stand out when the paper was a little bit busy. Just a beautiful image here of the Christmas tree in the snow, so I didn't want to cover that. And then we had more Christmas celebrations with my girls and their friends. So we had a Secret Santa night. We had they just had a lot of, get together. So I have all of those pictures here, kind of playing on White Elephant. And then I had this little llama, which I thought it was so cute, so I just put that one here. And more of this sequence to add some shine into the page. And we'll be adding some journaling on these little envelopes. And then more pictures here. Another one of these little llamas, another envelope. So I wanted to keep it very simple. Again, for me, it's more important to document the memories than to create all kinds of different fun layouts. I go back to my December dailies, and sometimes I create like a lot more intricate pages, which is really fun also. But at this point, I just really wanted to get the pictures printed and the memories in the book. that was the goal. Over here, another really pretty ephemera. And then another get together. The girls were over here playing and dancing, and just have some pictures of those. And then this is Christmas Eve. We open our gifts on Christmas Eve, and so just pictures of my girls and me. I just wanted to make this really cute. I do take a lot of pictures on Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, but I put all of those on a separate Christmas like mini album. But I wanted to at least get one of each of the girls here. We have my niece staying with us, so of course she's one of my daughters too. And then this is Christmas morning. We got together with the cousins. I just took some pictures of them. And then here is our dinner that I prepare. So it was my first time making the whole Christmas dinner on my own, so I took some pictures, got some pretty plates, and it was just really fun to do. And so yeah, so this was my coffee on Christmas morning, and this was the coffee cup, and I thought it was so cute, so I just got this little piece and put that in here. We went to Nana's house, so Nana had bought all of that to put in the coffees. And so yeah, so those are my Christmas memories, and I wanted to share that with you. So in case you haven't done your December documenting, I hope that this inspires you to just print your pictures, put them on the book. All that matters is documenting the moments, the memories. I will be doing a little bit of journaling so I don't forget some of the things we did. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I hope that I was able to inspire you a little bit to finish your December daily. It's never too late. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.